Tired of pumping expensive gasoline into your car? Well, one Japanese company reveals an eco-friendly car that runs on water. Using the company's generating system, water is converted into electrical power. Let's take a look at this amazing development.
All you need is a liter of water, any kind of water to be exact, whether it's river, rain, seawater, or even Japanese tea. Genapax unveiled a car that runs on water in the western Japanese city of Osaka. They say it's an electric-powered car that runs solely on hydrogen dioxide.
The main characteristic of this car is that no external input is needed. The car will continue to run as long as you have a bottle of water inside for you to add from time to time.
According to Japanese broadcaster TV Tokyo, once the water is poured into a water tank at the back of the car, the newly invented energy generator takes out the hydrogen from the water, releases electrons, and finally generates electric power.
We highly recommend our system since it does not require you to build up an infrastructure to recharge your batteries, which is usually the case for most electric cars.
According to Genapax, 1 liter of water keeps the car running for about an hour at a speed of 80 kilometers or 50 miles an hour. The company has just applied for a patent and is hoping to collaborate with Japanese automobile manufacturers to mass manufacture their invention in the very near future.